Hey guys, I'm here with another video. This time I'm riding with the Harley bros right here, Andrew and Aaron. Oh my god. We're gonna be going to the Hoover Dam to go right over there and then take some pictures. So yeah. Okay, there we go. What should I get? Sweet lemon, snowberry, green tea. I'll just get green tea. That's fine.
Hello, how's it going?
Good, how about yourself?
Is that it for you?
Yeah, that'll be all. Oh, you know what? Actually, also need to put $2 on number 8, please. So there's the first one. Thank you. And then $2 on 8. Two. Yes, yes, ma'am. All right, thank you very much. Yeah, I had to get something to drink, man. I'm gonna be thirsty over there. So. What? I can't, there was gas still left in there. Ah, sucks. And now we're back. So, Nevada was good to us, so thank God for that. But we're gonna be going to Salt Lake and it's really cold over there. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do some of my motorcycle videos, but I'm gonna try to get some of my airsoft videos out. So there's a place there in Salt Lake City. It's called Milsom City. It's indoors and they have an outdoor field. So I'm thinking about going to the indoor field because since it'll be cold, yeah, I'm gonna want to go to the indoor one. What is up, guys? Here at the Hoover Dam. Oh my god, okay. Now I know why everybody talks about that. Take a look at that. Oh my god. Don't drop it. Oh god, I'm holding as tight as possible. Hey, that's where Optimus Prime went.
Megatron.
Are you? Oh.
You got it way off.
Let's
do that again. Cut.
Yeah, let's cut that.
There he flew up on the wall over here. They didn't meet up, so they were on the street, right? Or the interstate?
Yeah, the interstate. So, good. He was saying that Starscream was around here, so we gotta watch out. Oh, that's crazy. That is really far down. And then there's the Arizona time, followed by the Cannons. Arizona right now? Oh yeah, because past that. So are we having some fun or what?
It's a little hot, but you know, we're trying our best.
Yeah.
To get the rest, so yeah. Let's get back to the Nevada time zone.
Nevada time zone? Wow. It's a lot of people today. guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for all the pausing and going. It's because my GoPro keeps freezing on me. Oh, that's nice. But you know, we had a good time just taking pictures and just hanging out here. So now we're gonna be heading back to the hotel because we have a service tonight, so we gotta hurry up and get back. We're probably gonna go a little bit faster, not like earlier. We went pretty slow, but we're gonna go a little bit faster now because we gotta get home. We gotta get to the service. But thank you, Jesus, for this day. It was amazing, and can't wait to be back over here in the Hoover Dam one day when I have a girlfriend, or even if I'm not here by then and I already have a wife and whatnot and we have kids. I want to bring them here to show them, you know, something that I've seen, you know, to show them some history here. You know, like we're gonna be going to Denver, so I don't know how the weather conditions are gonna be. So let's see how that goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed at least a little bit of today, how it went. So other than that, feel free to comment below, just in case if my battery dies. So till next time, guys, see ya.